didn't get a lot done today, but this is what the kitchen here is going to look like. That piece is going to be right up there in the corner, I think. I got a floor built in here. Going down, it's hard to see, but that's what's going on there. Floor's going all the way out a little ways. Yeah, past there. So I'm gonna build a wall up behind here and on both sides, and then put all that all set up. Have a nice slanted wall going down from the top. These wires will get hidden. Put a little light in there somewhere, and we'll have a nice, our little roundabout piece here. So that'll be nice. Give another extra cabinet in here. Put counter across the top of that. I think it's gonna work out really good. So that's basically where I'm at today. Not much, but better than nothing. So have a good day. All right, still working on my kitchen on this project here on 1297 on Fisk Road. Anyways, this is what I was able to get done today. I got these cabinets up. I got the cabinets for the bottom just about ready to go. I got to build a little floor. And I got most of this up until I ran out of this stuff. So I will get that taken care of, and we should be in good shape, hopefully, next time. All right, see you later.